Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Now we start social study of class 2. Please open the unit number 2. Unit number 2 name is good citizenship. There are rules for every little thing that we do. We know the right way to handle things because of the rules. Rules protect us. They are made for our own good. If we all obey the rules, the world will be happy and safe place. Why we have rules? Public rules. We have rules for behaving in public so that we do not hurt other people. Classroom rules. We are disciplined and well mannered because of rules. Sports rules. We have fair and peaceful sports because of rules. Traffic rules. We are saved from getting hurt and having accident because of traffic rules. As good citizen, we must follow the rules. If we follow the rules, we can help our country become a peaceful country. Rules for correct behavior. There are rules for correct behavior. We must obey them as these rules help us to be good human beings too. We have to behave properly towards others. We must do this so that they behave well towards us too. Do not be rude. Do not abuse others. Do not laugh at other people. You might hurt their feelings. We should help the old and the sick people. We must care for them. We must help the poor people or those who have far less than we have. We must be courteous and use courteous words like thank you, please, and sorry. We owe a lot to our country. It is because of this fact that we are called Pakistanis. We are proud to be called Pakistanis. We love all the things it has given us, the rivers, the mountains, the forest, and streams, our identity and our heritage. But do we do anything in return? Do we take care of everything it has given us? Caring for our country. We can say thanks to Pakistan by caring for its gift. We should not pollute the air and the water. We should not litter the roads or the grass. We must keep it clean. We should follow the laws and the rules. We should try to be good citizens. We should care for our elders and be respectful towards them. We should save energy like switching off extra lights and electrical gadgets. We should not destroy what Allah has given us. After reading these lessons, we have find some important words meaning and dictation words like this. Words meaning people, log, peaceful, aman, saved, महफूज, rule, असूल, behavior, रवैया. Dictation words fair, poor, sorry, sports, human. Question answer. Question: why do we have rules? Answer: rules teach us the right way to handle things. Rules also protect us. Question: why must we obey the rules? Answer: if we obey the rules, the world will be a happy and safe place. Rules are made for our own good. They help us to be good human beings. Question: write down 2 home rules and 2 classroom rules. Answer: given below are some example of home and classroom rules. The children should be encouraged to write the rules themselves. Home rules: don't throw litter on the ground. Wash your hands before and after having food. Classroom rules: raise your hands when you want to talk. Take permission from the teacher when you want to enter or leave the classroom. Question: how can we save energy? Answer: we can save energy by switching off the extra lights and electrical gadgets. Question: in order to be a good child, what would you like to change about yourself? Answer: in order to be a good child, I would not litter the roads or the grass. Match the following: home rules, give your seat to your elder. Traffic rules, use your seat belt. Classroom rules, raise your hand to answer. Sport rules, the referee is always right. Sport rules, the referee is always right. Dear student, read these lessons very careful and solve on your notebook and check in your school. Okay, Khuda Hafiz, take care.